Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the rounded corner. How can we have the rounded corners in CSS? So let's just go to the editor and see how can we achieve the rounded corners. Alright, to create the rounded corners, I have to use the paragraphs. We have the paragraph, corner. Okay, so we have to provide the height here, width. Alright, I have to provide some margin here, that will be 25. So now to make the rounded corner, you have to use the border radius property. So if I just simply give single value 20px, now we have the rounded corners. Okay, we can also give the particular values if we want. Let me just paste it here, L corner, copy this thing, paste it here. Okay, so this was the one way of giving the border radius. We can also give the border radius specifically, just like top. Okay, it would only cover the top right. Copy this. We also have the top left value. We also have the bottom left. Okay, and we also have bottom left. Okay, you can give the single value as well as you can also specify the different values to the different corners, just like that. If I just go with 40 with that, okay, that would be 40, that would be 10, that would be 5. So this is how you can provide the radius value to the particular corners. But if you want to give a single value to it, you can also give a single value to it. You can also provide the two values here. Okay, so the first value would cover the top left and the bottom right, and the second value would cover the top right and the bottom left. Okay, you can see it here, and you can also give the three values here if you want. Okay, so the first value in this scenario would cover the top left, okay, and the second value would cover the top right and the bottom left, and the third value will cover the bottom right side. Okay, and you can also give the last value, it would be on the bottom left side. Okay, so this is how you can create the rounded corners. Okay, you can specify the values, individually. You can give a single value. Okay, so it's all up to you, it depends on your need. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.